Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to play Total War, Warhammer 3. Start by selecting a faction that fits your strategy and learning pace, then review leader traits and starting positions. Customize difficulty, toggle helpful UI aids, and adjust graphics for smoother battles. Consider a short tutorial or sandbox battle to learn mechanics, and save often so you can experiment without losing progress. I'll guide you step by step through campaign basics and battle tactics. Build a strong economy early by securing resource settlements and investing in income buildings while keeping an eye on upkeep. Use diplomacy to form temporary alliances and divide enemies, but avoid overcommitting to wars you cannot sustain. Focus research on technologies that improve recruitment and reduce maintenance costs, and develop infrastructure that complements your faction's strengths. Balance expansion with consolidation so your armies remain powerful and your provinces stay loyal and stable. In battle, use terrain advantages and spread your forces to avoid enemy artillery focus while protecting your flanks. Position infantry to hold choke points, deploy missile units on high ground, and use cavalry or flying units to harass enemy ranged units and commanders. Prioritize taking out high-value targets, like artillery and enemy lords, to collapse their morale. Rotate damaged units out and exploit routing enemies for decisive victories, without sacrificing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.